Well, here's your latest update for the expected ongoing and upcoming winter weather across much of western and central Wyoming. Start by taking a look at our watches, warnings, and advisories. You can see just about everybody under some kind of an advisory or warning. Only exceptions here across Sublette County as well as up across Bighorn County. But even you should see some snow out of this. Most serious impacts across the western mountains from Jackson down toward Alpine and Aft. I know those don't show up in the map, but that's where those are. Also Dubois down to Crowheart, and also over here across the Lander foothills. You'll probably see the most snow out of this system, and most of the rest of the area under winter weather advisories for moderate amounts of snow. You want starting end times, a lot of different ones here. Go to our website right there, weather.gov/ROW. As we time out the impacts, there will be some snow on and off through the day today, but most areas will see the heaviest snow coming in as we head toward tonight. The best upper level support will be getting in there. So anywhere between, say, about 4 o'clock in the west, maybe closer to 5 or 6 as you jump east of the divide till about midnight for most areas. Now you head down towards southern Wyoming, say about Big Piney, Pinedale, down toward Rock Springs. Main effects late tonight, maybe into the first part of Wednesday. So commute problems. The evening commute could be kind of rough around most of northern and central Wyoming. Then especially toward the morning commute down around Rock Springs, but snow will continue into the Wednesday time frame as well. And some probabilistic stuff I want to show you. Expect at least this much snow across the area, highest amounts across the western valleys. Anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches there, also Dubois, Casper. Much of the rest of the area seeing about 1 to 3 inches. Now the least amounts up here across the eastern Bighorn Basin, level down to Greenville, you may be able to get a coating out of this. Now a chance of seeing about 6 inches of snow, a decent snowstorm. East of the divide, not really a great chance there except around Lander and Dubois. Also Casper, especially south of town down toward Casper Mountain, could pick up maybe a decent chance of seeing 6, maybe a few more inches. Across the west is where the main impacts are going to be for this. Good chance of seeing that in the western valleys, Jackson Valley, Star Valley, and especially across the mountains, especially the Tetons and the Salts, just about 100% chance of seeing at least 6 inches. So our best guess as to how much snow you're going to get deterministically. You see the highest amounts here across the western mountains. I think a good chance of seeing over a foot across the Tetons, Salt, and Wyoming range. Valley seeing anywhere from 4 to 8 inches more than likely, 4 to 6 around Pinedale. And I-80, anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches, but there will be a gusty wind here as well as some blowing and drifting snow, as this will be a very powdery snow. Over here across east of the divide, you can see about 3 to 4 inches around Riverton more as you head up toward Dubois and Lander, where those warnings are. 4 to 6 around Casper, anywhere from 2 to 4 across Johnson County. Anywhere from, say, about 1 to 6 inches across the Bighorn Basin, at least in the northeast, and heading more as you head toward the south and west. As your resources here for weather, you know where to go, weather.gov/ROW. For road conditions, on the web, go to wildroad.info. On the phone, 511 if you're in state, 188 Wild Road if you're out of state. And for webcams by route, just go to weather.gov, click on local programs, and then go click on our webcams tab. Can't talk today. Be safe, everybody. Have a good day. Here's your latest winter weather. Be very, very quiet. We're hunting wabbits.